Let me show you how to turn any REST API into an MCP server using InsightfulPipe. Today, we will turn an ecommerce store API into an MCP and create a performance report. In InsightfulPipe, go to Connectors and click Add Connection. Then choose REST API from the available connectors. Give the connector a name, then paste your OpenAPI spec URL, or upload, or paste the API JSON file if you have it. You can also set the auth type, none, API key, bearer token, or basic auth with username and password, depending on what your API needs. Click Load the endpoints and InsightfulPipe parses the spec, auto-discovering products, customers, and orders with their parameters. Click Save and Activate. It's now an available tool inside InsightfulPipe MCP. In Claude, go to Settings then Connectors, click Customize, and add a custom connector. Paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, give it a name, then click Add, then connect it. Connected successfully. Now write a prompt asking Claude to analyze your orders, customers, and products. What's selling, who your best customers are, stuck orders, and low stock, and deliver it as a polished Word document. Claude loads the data through the REST API connector, runs a Python analysis script, and builds the Word document. The executive summary opens with the headline, 80 orders from 30 customers, 50 SKUs, $96,000 in realized revenue at a $1,500 average order value. 2 operational issues stand out. 28 orders stuck in pending or processing worth $45,000 and a 20% cancellation rate that lost another $21,000. The product tables flag 6 SKUs running low, with recycled bamboo pants and tasty plastic ball marked critical at 6 and 4 units left. The top customers list shows another issue. 3 of your top 5 spenders are still on the bronze tier, including Anderson Larson at over $10,000. The recommendations are ranked by impact. 2 critical items. Clear the stuck order backlog this week and reorder recycled bamboo pants immediately. 2 high priority items. Investigate the 20% cancellation rate and activate the bronze whales with a loyalty tier upgrade. And 2 medium priority items. Capitalize on bike and bamboo demand and audit low-rated bestsellers. That's a REST API e-commerce store analyzed by Claude. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit insightfulpipe.com today.